In this video, we're learning how to set double tap or back tap from your backside of your Google Pixel 7a to capture screenshot. So it is very simple. Open your settings from the menu. Okay, then go to system. You can see here there is system. Open that. Then open gestures. Okay. After that, the first one, quick tap to show start actions. Okay. Turn on that, and the first option is take screenshot. So in this way you can simply set back tap or quick tap in Google Pixel 7a to capture screenshot, and there is multiple other functions. You can also set that, and you can simply double tap backside of the screen, backside of your phone to capture screenshots. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.